A banana is an elongated, edible fruit, botanically a berry, produced by several kinds of large herbaceous flowering plants in the genus Musa. In some countries, bananas used for cooking may be called plantains, distinguishing them from dessert bananas. Benefits: banana is a good source of several vitamins including vitamin B6 and C. Vitamin B6 helps in the metabolism of macronutrients. Vitamin C is vital to immune activity. These benefits may be derived from consuming banana. Banana helps to regulate blood pressure. Bananas are known to be a source of potassium in the body. A medium-sized banana may provide about 10% of the recommended daily value. Banana is a good source of potassium which could help lower blood pressure. Banana provides high-quality energy with carbohydrates and fiber. Bananas are packed with nutrients including potassium, an electrolyte essential for a healthy heart. Potassium regulates fluid balance, which is a key factor in regulating blood pressure. Maintaining normal blood pressure throughout life reduces risk for stroke. The daily recommendation for potassium is 3,400 mg per day for men and 2,600 mg per day for women. One medium banana contains over 400 mg of this important nutrient. Bananas are soothing to the digestive tract because they are rich in pectin, a soluble fiber that supports bowel function. Possible side effects: an allergic reaction to bananas can occur in individuals who have a latex sensitivity. Individuals with serious renal disease should control banana consumption because of the potassium contained. Over-consuming banana may result in high levels of blood potassium. This may be a source of concern with people blood pressure issues. Banana should be consumed moderately in these individuals. Quantity recommendations: a medium-sized banana is a serving size. Bananas may be consumed daily. About 2 to 4 servings of fruits are recommended daily. Banana could be eaten every day in breakfast or afternoon before exercise because it provides carbohydrates. Individuals with diabetes should control their portion. Individuals who enjoy bananas can eat them on a daily basis throughout the week. They can be eaten with almond or peanut butter or added to oatmeal or plain yogurt, for example. Bananas are an easy and inexpensive way to add a serving of nutrient-dense fruit to the diet.